Welcome back to my channel Flutter with Jana. So let's learn StreamBuilder. It is made up of two words. First stream, which will give us continuous data over the time. And second is builder, which builds the UI whenever there is a change in a stream. So we will learn StreamBuilder with the help of matrimony example. Meet Ramesh. He wants to get married, but he is not finding a perfect match. So he decides to register his profile on a matrimony site. He is waiting to get some profiles, but before that, certain state checks has to be happen. So these states are a part of snapshot. So first, none. Ramesh account is being verified. Still no profile. That is no stream of data yet. Second state is waiting. Account has been verified, but we are finding relevant matches for the Ramesh. That is stream is being prepared now. Third step is active. That is some matching profiles are found and they are sent to Ramesh. That is stream data is ready and it is being sent. The fourth one is done. That is daily limit of profiles is reached. For the new profiles, Ramesh has to wait for the tomorrow. That means stream has been closed now and stream doesn't have any data as of now. If you want to know more about the streams, there is already video on a playlist. Please go and check it out. So what are the some features of Stream Builder? It rebuilds UI every time once there is a change in a stream. Ideal for use cases like where we need continuous data like cricket apps or WhatsApp, it's etc. And builder function has a different state to show different UIs. It provides access to current state and error through the snapshot. And it disposes connection when the widget is removed from the tree, so no memory leaks. In order to understand it completely, let's move to the code.
For achieving asynchronous programming, Stream Builder is a class which takes two parameters, stream and builder. In our case, stream is a stream of strings. Once stream finishes, it returns a data that will be consumed by the builder and it updates the UI based on that. So let's see what get matrimony profile does here. So we have created a dummy list of profiles here. It's generally about 8 to 10. So how we create a stream? We are returning a stream here and we have used async generator function for creating a stream. Once we pass this profile to this for loop, we are yielding. So what do yield does here? So yield basically add those values to the streams. As informed here, there are five states here. So earlier, when stream is not connected to stream builder, we'll receive no connection stream. And when stream is connected to stream builder, but we'll still not get any data because stream is not emitting anything. So we are still waiting. So third state is connection state active. That is where stream is starting the data and we are listening. We are listening, the subscriber is listening to data. And the last state is completed state. That is connection state done. That means stream has sent all the data. It has no more data to be emitted. So that's the done state. So let's see how this performs in an app. So it's a waiting for a message, waiting state. Then stream active data. If you see, this is the state active and it is receiving data every second because we have introduced a delay of 2 seconds. So it will emulate like we are fetching data from the API calls. And now if you see, the stream is done. So stream is not emitting anything now. Whatever it was there in a stream, it's done. So that's the reason we got stream done. So if you want to listen to the stream again, you have to return the app. So that is the same case with the Ramesh that we learned. So that is about a stream.